That's interesting to know. Not necessarily the other way around. A data engineer isn't always an able data scientist, right? Because again, the difference between data analysts, data engineers, and data scientists is the modeling. And don't take that lightly just because it's one topic. I mean, modeling is a massive topic, right? So no, not all data engineers can do data scientist work, right? Because they wouldn't know the modeling side of it. Like, don't get me wrong, they're very good, right? Like, they know their databases really well and can code any query that you want. I mean, a good data engineer is very valuable on a team. But no, it doesn't go the other way around. You can have a data scientist that knows enough data engineering to kind of get by, but the other way around. I haven't seen that work. Like, I've been fortunate to work with some really good data engineers, some really good DBAs. I'm thinking about this one client in particular. It was a large call center that I worked for, and they had a very talented DBA. And I've had a long career, so I've met a lot. And this guy was like really talented as a DBA. Like, he was showing me things that I had never even thought of, and I kind of stole from him because they were really good approaches. But I mean, that guy would never do modeling, right? Like he sits in SQL Server all day long, and he's very good at that. But you know, they can't always do like the modeling and the coding side, right? Like it might be that they only know SQL, right?